What the hell is this? This is my parking place.
Sorry, sir, but this parking place is not allocated to any specific personality.
You idiot. Don't know who am I? I always park my car here.
I know, sir, you are teacher here, but I respectfully told you that this parking place is not allocated to anyone. Might someone reach earlier and park his car? Nothing else.
Oh, man.
You can park somewhere else, please.
You don't know how to talk with the teacher? I will see you. Now get lost.
I'm wondering. Seems he came hungry today. He is not looking like a teacher. He looks like a bus driver.
Yeah.
No, yeah, they lost the match.
How's going your time? Yeah, I'm fine.
All in out.
Be quiet, students. This is classroom? Isn't it? Everyone is busy on the mobiles and talking with each other.
Sorry, sir.
By the way, no one is wearing the mask and following the social distancing. You don't know what is the problem these days?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Zahir Rahman and I have been done masters in English and literature from IBA Karachi.
Sir, I have a question.
You have a question? Yes, Uma, please ask. Is this your question? Why you are laughing?
Sorry, sir, sorry.
You came with a good attitude, but now why are you laughing?
Umar, what's your issue?
Sorry,
Why you both are talking to each other?
I was just asking for.
Come on, get out. Get out from the class. Umar, you are also
No,
sitting here?
no, sir. I want to sit here.
Umar, please sit down. You are the only lady in our class. So next time, please be careful.
Sir, but I still have a question.
What question? Please ask.
I just heard that you had your master degree from International University of Chichu ki Mali.
Oh, that's a good question. Chichu ki Milia, I think, no, actually I belong to Chichu ki Milia, but my degree is from the IBA Karachi. So don't worry about that.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Guys, let me clear one thing, that I am very strict about class rules and manners. So, the latecomers will not allow to sit in the class even in the examination hall. So, everyone should be in the class at 8:30. So, now I would like you to guys to introduce yourself one by one, then we will start the session. So, you,
My
gentleman.
Yes, sir. Thank you. My name is Mohammad Umar Rafi,
Okay.
and I am lawyer by my profession. After starting my practice, I realized that I have to improve my English skills. So, whenever it will be very helpful when I will speak in English in front of judges, like in a court. So that's why I came here for my learning session.
Wow, great. Good motive. I appreciate it.
Thank
And you, lady?
Sir, this is Huma. I'm a textile engineer and merchandiser by profession, and I'm working with Masood Textile right now.
Okay. And you?
My name is Umair and I am running my own small export business, and I have to deal with European and American customers, so that's why I am here to improve my English skills.
Okay, great. But you guys, I have a few more students in my list which I received from the management. Let me check that. Yeah, there are 2 more students. I think they are late. Let me discuss with the management. Then I will discuss with them as well. So the today's session is about the tenses.
You don't have?
I have only one time. So you could.
Oh, what's the problem? Why are you talking to each other?
Sorry, sir. I was just asking for a pen.
How ridiculous! You are here for learning without pen.
Sorry, sir. I forgot to bring my pen.
Get out and bring your own pen. How silly you are!
Sorry, sir.
You want to learn English and you don't have a pen. Oh man. Okay, tenses. You know guys, there are the 3 main parts in the tenses. Number 1.
Can I come, sir?
Yes, man. Yes.
I got my pen.
Oh man, you are so lucky that you have your own pen.
Yes.
Okay, but get out. You are not allowed to sit in the class.
So,
Stay there.
class would be a fun, but this teacher seems to be a very bad guy.
Don't lose your hope. Let's see ahead.
I think it's
Let's talk to the only guy.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Hi, Huma.
Hi, Umair.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
So, what's the reason you joined this session, by the way?
Nothing specific. I just wanted to improve my grammar and better proficiency of English language.
What do you think about teachers' behavior?
I think it's too early to say something, but according to his today's behavior, he seems quite impolite and he's too stubborn in his self-created rules. We have to take care about his rules. So let's just hope he'll be nice.
Yes, yes. So, as you are the only girl in this class, so I think you will share notes with us, won't you?
Yes, why not? We will keep sharing our notes and we will help each other.
Good. So, let's make, I think, a WhatsApp group.
Yes, why not?
Which we can share.
You can have my number.
Yes.
You can add me as well.
Yes, we will
Yes,
have
we
Uma as well.
yes we will make a WhatsApp group.
Yes, good. That will be very beneficial for us.
Yes, why not?
Can we make a star in a button?
Yes, that would be
Yes,
a
we
good plan.
can, and we can add our teacher also so that we can have a
No.
good relationship with him.
No,
It's-
don't
it's-
spoil the dinner.
Do we
He
need
is a
any
bad
permission
guy.
from teacher?
No, no,
No,
no, he's a
we
bad guy.
don't
Just
need
forget
any
him.
permission.
Just forget him. You, me, and Umar. Enough.
Okay,
You enjoy?
fine.
Yeah, we can make a plan.
Yes.
Fine.
Let's make a
So
plan.
you are agree?
I think on this weekend
Why not?
will be good.
I'll inform you if I'll have any other task on weekend.
But I am available at this weekend
Yes.
for aftar.
So you are going to pick me up
Yeah, I can.
at my place,
Yeah, sure.
and
So it
then
would be in Faisalabad only, no?
yes, in
Yeah,
Faisal
in
Biryani
Faisalabad.
restaurant.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good, good.
Hello, good morning.
Good
morning,
sir.
Good morning.
How are
sir.
you?
I'm
You are
fine.
fine.
Okay. Okay. And Huma, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. And you, Umar? Oh, sorry, Umar.
So I am. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I mixed the names. You, Umar, short hand Umar, and long hair Umar.
Umar.
Ah, okay. Okay, guys. Today our topic is about the again we will discuss about the present continuous tense. Present continuous.
Sir?
We should say the form.
I think I should call the ambulance.
He seems having COVID attack.
Yes, I'm calling ambulance.
Sir.
I'm sure he has a COVID-19.
So, Cardinal is final?
Yes, this weekend we are going to Titanic Resort and we will have a very fantastic dinner.
guys.
Hi, Umar.
How are you?
We are fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. So anyone knows about him? Is he still alive or no news means good news?
Guys, we shouldn't speak this way.
Oh.
God forbid it can happen to anyone. This is COVID.
Yes. And by the way, today I just spoke to admin office and they told me that he got a severe corona attack. And unfortunately all hospitals are full and he is shifted to his home and he is completely isolated.
Oh my God. I hope he'd be taken care well at his place rather than hospital.
No, as far as I know, he is living alone. He's in this town, and I'm afraid who is taking care of him.
So sad to know that he's living alone.
Yes.
I think we should do something for him.
I'm not going there.
I think we should take a step here and help him in this time of confinement.
Let's go, Umar, to his place and get him some food and medicine at least.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Who is there?
It's us, your students from English class.
Oh. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello. I was not expecting that my students will come here because I was never kind with you guys. So thank you.
Forget it, sir. How are you feeling now?
Huma is very horrible disease and sometimes it's very painful.
Sir, do you need anything in food or medicine? We brought some stuff already.
Umar, yeah.
Yeah,
As
yeah.
you know, sometimes I mix your names, Umar and Umar. So sorry for that. And Umar, bundle of thanks. And you know, I was not deserving it. But once again, thank you, and I feel really proud on my students, and it's great honor for me that you guys are here.
You mean us a lot, sir. Don't feel alone.
Thank you, thank you. Your presence and your presence energized me so much to fight out with the COVID. And you know, in loneliness, I was thinking so negative, but you came here, and I want to share one thing based on my experience, that as a nation, we have one problem. We never take a serious actions against natural disasters like COVID-19 is an example. We are not following the SOPs, we are not using the masks, we are going to rushy areas, and the major issue is that as I did, I instruct you guys to follow those SOPs, use a mask, but I never did on myself. So that's why I am sitting here. So I request you guys, Umar, Umair and Huma, spread this message and give the message to the people around you, and told them to stay safe, stay at home, because this is a very horrible disease. And thank you once again.
Don't worry, sir. We are going to be okay very soon. And we are making a WhatsApp group and adding you. So you just give us a message and we can arrange you anything.
Thank you, thank you. It's a great honor for me.
Take care.
And once again, thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.